In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage and status bar on this device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate battery and device care. And go to battery then, and scroll a bit lower, go to more battery settings, and as you can see, now in the middle of the screen, like in the middle of those tabs, you've got show battery percentage. So once it is active, you can see the current battery level right here, but if you turn it off, it will not be visible, so you will have just the pure icon. And obviously it's up to you, however, I do prefer it with the number, with the current battery level, so I am aware of the percentage of my battery, but this is how you can do it, how you can manage and just set it up as only you wish. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.